Direct mail advertising got me again. This shit looks crazy. The Wendy's Korean barbecue cheeseburger. I've got to try it.
Hi, is anything good for you?
Hi, can I get one of the Korean barbecue cheeseburgers?
Yeah, anything else?
No, that's all good, thank you. I don't really eat a lot of Wendy's anymore. It's definitely not like my go-to fast food restaurant. But I got these Pringles the other day, these Baconator Pringles, and these things are insane, and they have been making me fiend at Wendy's so bad. And I love Korean barbecue. I actually really fucking love Korean barbecue. I feel like more and more things are becoming Korean barbecue flavor, which I'm not super mad about. But I just figured this was like the perfect time. The Korean barbecue cheeseburger from Wendy's. I really had no other choice. Let's get into it. We got a saucy burger. There she is. What's in this again? The Wendy's regular cheeseburger, but with pickled red onions, spiced bacon, sweet barbecue sauce, and jalapeno jack cheese added to it. It smells unreal. It smells very like Korean barbecue. It looks amazing as well. Let me give you a closer look. Ooh! It's a juicy looking burger. That actually looks insane. Oh my god. The pickled red onions, those are coming through real clear. A little bit of spice. Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. That was so good. I have no idea what just happened in my mouth. Those were a bunch of tastes that I would never expect from a cheeseburger, but it all worked so well together. I don't know if this is just a Canadian thing, and I really hope it's not, but if you ever see this burger at your local Wendy's, you have to get it. That was unreal. Kind of at a loss for words right now.